Hello! Welcome to Fuji and I channel, and my name is Kuya JDL. I'm handling this channel. On the previous episode of our content, I share with you some of the videos that I took using my Sony ZV-1 Mark II on our trip in Miami, Florida. And my main camera on that trip is this Fujifilm XS20, and my lens that I brought together with this body is my on-the-go zoom lens, which is the Sigma Contemporary Lens 10 to 18 2.8 zoom lens, and my Pancake WR Fujifilm 27 2.8 lens. And on these videos, I will share to you my experience using the film simulation Acros Red Filter, and all the pictures that you will see is on the JPEG, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more and hit the notification bell so you are updated on what's happening on the Fuji and I channel. Okay, have a great day, folks. Bye.